In this lecture, guys, you are going to learn how to relink footage when the footage goes missing. Remember that After Effects will only keep a link from your project or from the asset in your project to your storage device. If you change things on your storage device or you remove it completely, of course the link is broken and After Effects cannot find your videos and your images and so on. So how to restore this? I will show you an example here. Let's come to File and let's go to Open Recent, and we take the file we used last lecture. I will click on it. Now, an error message has appeared. After Effects warning. 12 files are missing since your last saved project. You just click OK, and then you notice that the missing files have a placeholder that looks like the TVs in 1960 or 70 when the colors started. To restore the link, you just right-click on the file itself and you go to Replace Footage and you save file. Now, since After Effects doesn't know where to start, it's gonna start on Windows, this PC Documents. Fine. You have to navigate to find this file. In my case, it's on OneDrive and it's in Assets and Project. Here we are. Then it is inside Assets. Remember that we're looking for the file Aerial View Forest. So I'll click on it only and I will say Import. Here you are. Now notice exactly what's going to happen. It did not only replace the Aerial View Forest that I was looking for. It tried also to find all the other files where the name matches. Only the name is matching, not the time, not the size, nothing. Only the name. And actually it found them and it has replaced them. So you click OK and here you are. You're on. If you like to open the composition, for example, you notice that all the videos are here and it has found them and re-established the link. Remember to come back and say File, Save, so you can save these links again. If you close without saving, then the link disappears again. Cool, guys. So this is about relinking your footage. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you in the next lecture.